The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Reagan County in western Texas until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Stiles, or 17 miles north of Big Lake, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Reagan County. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for southwest Texas until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time.